Good evening. 8:22. Let's see. I wanna read this card. Including the spirit, of course. I don't know why I wanna read that card. Hang on. Okay, hang on. Spirit want to see picture. Okay. What's the picture? Spirit? Photo? Anything? Baggage. Baggage. Let's see. Give me 3 cards. 3. Leo. Declaration, defense, reclaiming power, sovereignty, contract. Oh, there's the sun. The sun in from the grave. Transformation, really? Okay. Expressing truth, manifesto, self-rule, liberty of death, sure. Rules of game, challenging the status. One more. No, 2. Libra. What the fuck, Libra? Hang on. 8. Wheel of karma. Karma, dharma, destined. Destined. Inevitable, cause, effect, divine, intervention, cycles, luck, fortune, rise and fall, circumstance, consequence, divine will, blind justice. Libra. Cabin. Lonely, confined, detached, remote, secluded, go within, isolate, disengage, close off, keep apart, quarantine, islands, divine, disconnect, sequestered, abandon. Okay. Spirit seeds, abandon. Again. Up. So, no? Alright, no. What is that, Spirit? They look the same face. Triplets. Oh, damn. 3. Triple fire, alright. Triple fire. 6. Bedroom. What about the bedroom? Let's see. 6 what? Intimacy, sensual, pleasure, love affair, sleep, contentment, leisure, nap, sleep on it, alone time, oasis, restoring, dream, time, astral travel, call it a day. Here, okay. This one. 9. It's Aries, shield, defensive, protect, support, safeguard, blocked, guardian, stand up for, being prepared, heroic, stronghold, security, ward up, unwanted, energize, be on guard, withstand. Withstand, Aries. Yeah. Okay. 2. It's 4, really? Okay. 4. It's 5, really? 5. Okay. Sag. Here you go, Sag. Crew, in sync, spirit, the corps working together as a unit team. Leadership, co-create, pooling assets. Commandery, gong-ho, forming alliance, partnership, team effort. This is collaboration. Really? Okay. 7. White rabbit, spark of curiosity. Genesis is spiritual awakening. It's time. Heeding the call. Research it inner knowing. Dark to light. Wow! Going down the rabbit hole. Waking from the dream. It's not a dream anymore. Hang on. Okay. Done. Let's go to the spirit. Hi, spirit. Okay. We still have. This is Leo. Leo and Virgo. What the heck? Child. Fix. Stubborn. Aries. Do what you love. Exploration. Boundless energy. Time to play. Play, Libra. Demanding attention. Tireless. Love to learn. Imagination. Delight in simple things. Okay. Right. Roadblock. This is Capricorn. Chains, berries, changes. Time to regroup. Stuck. Paralyzed. Obstacles. Box. You're right. When you're in the box, think outside the box. Okay? Ooh. Step forward. 2 steps back. Grapes. Virgo. Abundance. Bearing fruit. Harvest. Fertility. Merriment. Prosperity. Surplus. Fullness. Juicy. Overindulged. Tempting. Goodness. Plentiful. Wealth. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. That's the crown. Let's see. Furthermore. Right. What is that? No. Oops. Enjoying the fruits of your labor. Ooh, yo, what is this? 3. Happening now? Really? It's happening? Happening now. Altar. The situation or event in question is occurring right now.
Silence.
Really? Okay. Go there, alright. Planning, checkmate, grand design, thinking ahead. Tactics, moves, counter moves, master plan. Okay. Consequence and action. Border. Okay, border. Border. Woohoo! What are you?
Infernal.
Me, yes. Checkmate. Changing. At this time, the
Brown
situation...
eyes.
Brown. I have hazel eyes. Situation is state of flux. Anything could happen.
Julian.
Julian. Anything could happen. Sure. Five again. Five. Dear John. John. Rejection. Cold hard truth. Cold hard truth.
I was burned.
Breaking up. Set boundaries. Divorce. True. Divorce. No further question. The fuck? Okay. Aries. Eclipse. Union. Opposites. What the fuck, Libra? Hang on. Consel. Event. Must. Upstage. Merge. Transform. Camouflage. Hide. Overshadow. Loss of power. Temporary. Block. Support. Sudden. Darkness. Reveal who you are. Further. Oh, I feel hot. Feeling hot. What the heck? Okay.
Wrong area.
Wrong, yep. Okay, microphone. This is Sagittarius. Libra, 7. News. Trending. Broadcast. Expression. Strong opinion. Make known. Current events. Public speaking. Speak truth. Communicate. Social media. Being heard. Speaking up. What the fuck? Okay, within a few days, the situation or event in question will develop or unfold within a matter of days. A matter of days. Sure. Further? Really? Okay.
Great.
Spirit. Hang on. What's this? Oh, Leo. Okay. Curtain call. Ay, acclaim. Fame. Bring it on, Leo. Fame, recognition, parade, celebrity, admiration, applause, show, appreciation, spotlight, focus, attention, theater, act, performance. You are watching a movie, which is I am the actor. Sure. Yin yang. 50-50. At this time, things could go either way.
We're here.
Yeah, all right. Childhood, what the fuck? Are we, Libra? Innocence, playful, growing, friendship, lightness of being, foundation, need of others, revisit the past, loving life, no worries, and experience, growth, new beginnings, Libra. We are in the actor close in the stage. Sure. Oh my God, I haven't even see it. Number 1, Fire, Sag. Enthusiasm, energy, heated, intense, joy, ignite, passion. Ecstasy, exhilaration, spark, Community, sharing ideas, get things going. Orgasm, fanatism, fever, fairs. Fairs. Shoo. All right. More. I'm loving this. Okay.
I'm upset.
Oh, spirit doesn't get upset, okay? Home, heart. What the fuck? Okay. Heart and home. Happy home. Security, love, kindness, family, belonging, bless, contentment, comfort, established, fulfilled, legacy, boundaries, affection, peace. Heart's desire, longevity. Wow. Hang on. Are we? Sure? Right. All right. 3 more? Okay. What the heck? I love it. Okay. Spring. She looks beautiful, yes. Okay, number 1, Libra.
I enjoy the company.
Good. One more, okay. I read that after I give you one more. All right, what's this? Hang on. One more.
Sleep won't save you.
Won't save me. I'm already dead. One more. Constellation. Constellation. Force to life. What? Okay. Symphony. So symphony is the last card. Okay. Aries, Taurus, and Gemini. Spring. New moon. The meeting within one month or 3 months. 1 month. Sword. Truth. Justice. Libra. Do process. By the book. Appeal. Balance. Make amend. Law. Integrity. Cut the chase.
Impaled.
Fair. Square. Fair play. Equity. Even nil. Legal matters. Hear me out. This is Libra is talking. Sure, Libra, sure. Constellation, network, support, associate, gathered, meeting, socialize, organization, arrangement, collection, exchange, data, influence, connection with a large amount of quantity. Really? Okay. What's the, hang on, symphony. Harmony! What the fuck? Harmony. Hang on. Can you see? Okay.
I am Carmilla.
Hi, Carmela. Co-create, I tell you. This is co-create. Collaborate. Collaborate. Yo, collaborate. Libra. Okay, we ask the advice. Okay. Advice. Let's see the advice. 3 cards for the advice. Universal advice. Oh, that's true. One more. One more. What is this? 4. Oh, no? Okay. One more. Rainbow. Yes. Yes to my question. Okay. 4. Aries. Wow! Aries and Libra. What the fuck?
Plague.
Chocolate and cake. What? Libra. What the heck? Okay, yes to my question. Okay. Celebration, ceremony, party, gathering with friend and family. Honor, remember, recognize, commemorate, graduation, anniversary, wedding, prom, birthday, award, ceremony. What the fuck? Okay. Chocolate, satisfaction, perfection, love, Libra, what the fuck? Romance, treating yourself sweet, rich, smooth, splurge, aphrodisiac, the good stuff, fine dining, do things right, celebration, elevated mood.
I live in your nightmares.
I don't have nightmares. Thank you. Oh, yes. Answer is yes. The situation or event is right on track at this time. What the fuck? Okay. Let's go, Libra. The answer is yes. Let's go and have a wedding. Wedding indeed. What the heck? Okay, Father. Okay, Father. Father.
Don't look behind you.
All right. Why? Okay. I like this. I like this. Because we are yin yang. Yin and yang. And then childhood. We are past life. Symphony. That's it. Thank you, Spirit. Bye-bye. I love you.